I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Xbox 360 Live. First, make sure your Xbox 360 console is powered on and connected to a stable internet connection, either wired or wireless. You will need a working internet connection to access the Xbox Live service. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process. We'll guide you through each part, ensuring you can enjoy online gaming and entertainment in no time. Get ready to connect. Next, you'll need a Microsoft account. If you already have one, you can use it. Otherwise, you'll create a new one directly on your console or via a web browser. This account serves as your digital identity across Microsoft services, including Xbox Live. It's where your gamertag, achievements, and friends list will be stored. Make sure to choose a strong password and remember your login details for future access. With your Microsoft account ready, it's time to connect to Xbox Live. From your Xbox 360 dashboard, navigate to the Social Blade. Here, you'll find the option to join Xbox Live. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your Microsoft account to your console. The system will guide you through accepting terms of service and setting up your gamertag. This step officially brings your console online for multiplayer fun. Finally, consider your Xbox Live membership options. While a free account allows some features, Xbox Live Gold unlocks the full experience. This includes online multiplayer gaming, access to free games each month, and exclusive discounts of up to 75% on digital purchases. You can choose from 1-month, 3-month, or 12-month subscriptions to best suit your gaming needs. Get ready to dive into a world of online entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.